Types of dance and the commitments to these types of dance. There are many types of dances. Some are fun and some are emotional. I'm going to share with you some of my favorite types of dances out there. Also, I'm going to tell you the type of commitment you have to have if you do that type of dance. One of my favorite types of dances is called lyrical. Lyrical is a type of dance that has to tell a story. It has to have emotion and passion in the dance. This is my favorite because you have to tell a story and the attitude you have is anything. You just have to show a lot of emotion. The moves in this dance style have to be unique and there are many types of jumps that you have to have in this dance style. A second type of dance I really enjoy is hip hop dance. Hip hop dancing is one of the newest types of dance in dance competitions. The way I know how it is one of the newest types in dance competition is because a couple years ago I did a hip hop solo and nobody else did. But now there are many people doing hip hop solos. In hip hop you always have to have fun. You have to have a lot of attitude and have some popping, but you have to make the audience be amazed by your moves. Another favorite type of dance is musical theater. In musical theater, you can be another person. You always have to have expression, and this is the only style of dance where you are allowed to lip sync to the music. You should pick any music. You should pick any music from a musical of any kind of music. This dance involves you trying to be a person who sings the song you're dancing to. My final favorite type of dance is ballet. Ballet is one of the hardest types of dance in my opinion. In ballet you have to do tough bar and have to do many things that wear your feet out. Yet this type of dance is one of the really known types of dances. It is kind of like lyrical, but just more advanced moves. Also a type of dance that is the same thing as ballet is point. You do the exact same moves, but on the bottom of your toes you have a box so you can go up on your toes, like all the way up. These are the types of dances I like. I told you about unknown types of dances and very commonly known types of dances. And I also told you about what you need to do in these types of dances. This is what you These are the different types of dances that I shared with you and the commitments that I showed you.